Alright, I'm going to try to get gunner slot. And I'm going to do deploy.
Throwing a grenade!
Then I'm going to go M249, compensator, 1x, 2x, dot. Side rail, I don't want a laser sight. Well, yeah, for close up. I don't want to waste my points here. I'll just get a Makarov for 0. I want a heavy carrier, light armor. Where's my mask? There we go. Resupply, save loadout. Look like I got it. Now if you see, when you're running a gun, you're slow to come up and come down. So you're going to have to anticipate just a little bit. So let's say enemy's already come this way. Say I want to shoot him. See how it rises, the barrel rises? It'll just keep rising. You gotta bring your mouse down while you shoot. I'll show you. Whoops. You gotta shoot. Control burst. When that's the 60 gunner, we ran 6 to 9 round burst. I think a 3 to 6 round burst with the 249 from the standing position is better. Let's see.
Alpha secure!
If I really wanted good coverage, see how it rises. Let me top up my ammo, and then I'll go. Well, fuck it. I'm going to do the drone. I'm on bipod. Now watch what happens. Whoa. You could do some pinpoint shit with that, right? Well, because you're bipod supported rather than shooting off the hip. So it's going to give your muzzle a lot better stability. Gunner's job isn't to get up close, he's supposed to support his team. So I'm going to try to keep the team safe. I'm going to go prone. Got smoke. Get out of the smoke. Alright, I'm going to go. I got to watch this corridor. There's a little lagging because we're recording the game at the same time. Let me get up here. I got to jump and squat. I'm going to set up a bipod. 249 here. Watch this shit. I'm going to get me a little body count up here. I'm wanting to upgrade to an RTX. I think it's an RTX 3050. I'm going to hit tab. Nope. I'm going to hit R. Got about 3/4 of the first box. Hit tab, do a check on my team. I only got one man down, so pretty strong. I don't have to rush in anywhere. Just going to hang out. Usually there's Op 4 comes this way. There he is. So I like 2x, 1x. I can kind of do a little close up if I have to. I don't like going no stronger than a 2 because if you get real bad scope vision, you can't see what's really going on. There was a whole gag. See there, I just let it fly a little bit because I was off. I wanted to get that kill. Check my ammo, I'm half box. And sure as shit, watch while I'm reloading if something's gonna come. There it is, there it is. There it is. Now I'm reloading. That's the way AI does. Now they're gonna be in the smoke, and I can't see them. What I can do right here is like the top of their stairs. What we call grazing fire. Grazing fire. Just along Let's say if it was a berm, just along the top of the berm, that's where it's going to be. I don't think I got him. I think I got him. Let's top up at the fun box.
Alright!
Ease up.
We lost someone!
Can't see him. Big boo. Big boo. Oh, damn it. It's a hazard, being a gunner. It's also the hazards of the game. It's a good opportunity to watch some of the other players, see what their skills look like, and pick up some tips. Cover. My team's going to Echo. If I want to try to come up this road, I'm going to be a good machine gunner and have protection so they don't get overrun.
We're securing Echo!
And I'm peeking in and out. I'm gonna let him walk into it. Let him walk into it. He's not getting shit.
Echo secure!
It's probably where I suck.
Hey, about to go to attack!
Let's try this position.
We're losing Echo!
Check my ammo. About a little over half box. Team's looking pretty strong. I don't know why we're sucking so bad. I'm all the way back here away from that. I'm gonna run on a tripod. I don't know why I couldn't kill him. Boom, boom. I'm the last one.
Echo.
Alright, I'm gonna go 1x scope.
Look!
I gotta ease up on this. I hear pitter patter. Just go fucking crazy. Fucking need to reload, man. Hang on. I know I'm the last man, and I suck too hard to be doing this. Yep. Yep, I knew it. 249 is a good support role, but it's not a good up close thing.
Yeah.
Should have dropped it and grabbed a rifle somewhere. Is what I should have done, but oh well.
Grab what you need! Yeah, good to go!
Alright, I'm done with that shit. But that's basically running a machine gun. I'm going to run M16A2, 3x scope, comp, drum, aiming grip, laser sight. Let's go back to the game. I got to resupply.
Okay, good.
Get my
I'm
gear.
ready.
And with that scope and the red dot, I got a nice little dot to go to. Now I'm going to put about 3 or 4 rounds in somebody. I can go here. Watch this. Or I can go more controlled. Control your cycle, your rate of fire. You can control your muzzle rise. Keep a nice cadence. What you're trying to do is after you fire again until your muzzle comes back down.
You guys all okay?
Everything is fine.
We just... I think he's back here.
Yes!
I thought I saw an enemy go up there, but
Down on
I might have been imagining it.
Do you really want to get down?
Alright, so
Moving in.
watch what happens. I'm going to aim right here at this square. I'm going to fire around. See, all I got to do is just move my mouse a little bit, and I'm back on target. Alright, so if I do a bunch of real fast fires, see my muzzle rise. So if I just do a little bit slower, you get the feel of it. Then after you got your muzzle drop back down, you can do a follow-up shot, and you can put more rounds center mass more accurately. That's what kills. A bunch of ammo doesn't kill. Rounds on your target, that's what kills. These guys got no mic. I don't know if like Tango's down or what. I really need a new video card.
I'm a Charlie, guys!
Yeah, I don't have any of this glitch stutter when I'm not recording. So I know it's the combination of the two. It's just kind of taxed
changing
me.
mags!
See? There we go. Good controlled rate of fire. You know, I'm letting my muzzle come back down before doing anything.
It's clear!
Slow it down and get real precise. Oh, this is going to be fun. And because I'm not on the bipod, see, there we go. See, that's rewarding. I can't do that with a 3-round burst. The only way you're going to do that with a 3-round burst is if you're in a prone with a bipod on. Now, this is asking for trouble, but I'm going to come up here and try to play peekaboo. I must have already secured this. No, they haven't. The Delta objective, it's a triangle. So that's an explosive objective. We gotta blow that. Alright, so I hear that. I know rounds are going to be... Not rounds, what am I saying? Let's get ready to blow. So I can move up. Get ready to cover the team. Oh shit. I have no idea where that came from. Alright, so you really should be doing one of 4 things. Shoot, communicate, or be reloading. Always be doing one of those 4 things. You can see I stayed stationary too long and I ended up in flat. Really wasn't due to the lack of shooting because I didn't have a clear objective. I didn't have a clear target to shoot.
We're working on Echo!
He's capping. That's good. I might get to spawn at the conclusion of this recap, this capture. He's just looking around. And on this map, there's not much of a hazard coming that direction. He's got a bipod. Bipod's great.
Shit.
And it's also your nemesis. You can shoot real accurate, real precise. But it takes you longer to come up and down from the prone with it. Or, let's say, if you're on a wall, it takes you longer to pull off the wall. So that could be a down thing. I did not spawn. We captured. That sucks, but it is what it is. Need to watch upstairs. That's not a big issue. There's not many coming that way. And the only way for them to come up is through that stairs.
Dude, that bot laser beamed me.
The bots do not like you.
I see that.
Sometimes the AI is fucking vicious, man.
Loading! Loading!
It's scary sometimes.
I love those one-shot headshots where I come around the corner and there they are waiting on me.
I didn't even have time to react either.
Right, right. See, the AI advantage, I don't know they're there, but they already knew I was coming.
Push, push, push!
Get over there!
Speak up!
Yeah.
Just the part of the
I'm
getting
fine.
experience, you
Hey,
know?
we should move!
Good to go!
Yeah, I mean, if the game was too
On
fucking
your
easy,
knees.
it wouldn't be no fun.
Yeah.
This does create a love-hate relationship, though. I see this is my cover. Cover means it stops the bullet. Concealment means I can't see it. So this is my cover. Let my rate of fire down. Get on target. Is there something else over there? They're over there. I don't want to take a risk of doing a team shoot. Fire. Where the hell is that coming from?
Find them! Yeah, we're gonna kill them and clean up.
Just gonna recon.
Guys, look
Usually there
around.
isn't anything coming, but I mean, you never know. They could change the pattern. I got a full 7 rounds, so I'm gonna go ahead. Work my way down the alley. He's shooting, so I'm gonna try to steer clear of him. He's shooting, I'm gonna try to stray out of his line of fire. Coming up on some, I'm gonna go prone.
I need help!
Fire coming from somewhere. I've been there too long, so I need to move. I did a no-no. I ran in front of a hot barrel. Sorry, brother. I ran in front of your hot barrel. My bad.
Reloading!
It's a good place to just park for a minute. Usually there's nothing coming this way. I mean, it's a game. In real combat, we'd be watching all of this shit. We kind of know where their paths are. That's pre-programmed. Peekaboo. If I can keep my head down, I'll run less of a chance of getting it blown off. If I get too close to the window, then they can shoot me easier. There's got to be some coming this way sooner or later. Where are they? Ease up on that a little bit, There they are. Whoops. That's what we call click, no bang. Hammer drop, 1 round in it. I'm going to drop down, come up on the peekaboo, drop down, come up on the peekaboo. I'm going to keep moving so a little harder to detect. Let's see, I'm on accuracy, so I slowed my cadence down. Okay, you just keep putting rounds down range, bam, 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 and hope one of them hits. Get to the point where you really need to engage that target. See, and that's with the 223. That's a varmint round.
That all you got?
You gotta put 2 or 3 rounds in your target to stop them. Now, I'm not a big fan of leaning. Leaning's full. It ends up you wasting too much time. Trying to lean and not lean. Lean left, lean right. He's got me. See, I'm just popping rounds. See if I can get a kill out of them. See, they know I'm here. I'm not happy about it.
Hey, we're on it.
Okay, pop out that window, so I'm gonna come here. Try to go here, size this up. My next move. Let's come up here and get a little bit better visual. We got some cover here and concealment. I like to be able to see down
All
this way.
right, yeah, I think we're good.
Good shit.
Wait, counterattack is coming.
Here it comes. Good shot.
Loading weapon!
I'm gonna go before I reload. I want to get out harm's way. That sandbag is not stopping rounds like I want it. Run, run, run! Come here! Back. I'm gonna run. Going prone, and the game's not really that much more supported, but what it does, it offers less of a target to be able to shoot at.
Hostiles! Fuck! Enemy are on it!
Got an enemy on. I'm closing the doors.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Don't destroy the doors. You need them. They let you know if somebody's coming. Alright, you see how I done that? I popped the scope up before I came around the corner, so I'd already be there. Load. Doors are shut. There's one that's open. We
They're
need
coming in.
Objective!
Good man, thank you. See, we're getting low on manpower. I don't like the way he's here. I'm not hitting shit. Slow it down. Got a lot better chance of hitting something. You good over there?
Yep.
Closing the door back. He's alive. He ain't no more.
Last mag.
Yeah, I'm running low on my mag too, so try to aim.
25 seconds, then we're good.
I don't know, a lot can happen in 25 seconds. We can fumble a ball in 25 seconds. 11's getting more comfortable.
We're fine.
I know. That was my MOS, it's a Worry Wart. Good game. 27, 12, and 1. I only died once. Earned the most assists. Okay. Means I didn't kill him, but let's say I put a round in, put damage on the target, and then somebody else got a kill shot off of it. They might only had to put 1 round instead of 2 or 3, because I already put damage on target.